What's up YouTube? For today's video I got this package from Freedom Off-Road. So I was waiting for this package for like a week, so today finally came. The coilovers from Freedom. I used to have the low so upper control arms from Freedom too also, but I just got these new ones. I didn't make any video, installing them, because it's a lot of videos, like I always said on YouTube. But so far, this one I'm happy with this journey ball, I think. But this one you have to lubricate, just throwing some WD-40, I guess they say. Looks pretty dirty, so I think I have to clean it up more often. So the ball joints, the regular ball joint, you have to lubricate also. But so far I'm happy with it. Like I said, I'm super happy. If you wanna know the price is like I think I paid like 260, 280. Comment down below if you're interested in this. So back to the coilovers, from 2.5 to all the way to 5 inches, which is it's a lot, 5 inches with the stock suspension, and it raised up all the way to 5 inches, which is a lot, So with this control arm, I think the most I can go is 4 inches, which is I'm trying to get there, right? So I'm gonna see. I don't even know if it's possible to raise all the way to 5 inches, but the minimum is 2.5 to 5 inches. We'll see. Also in the box, it came with the swear body links. That's a tool so you can adjust your coilovers. So I don't know, guys. I mean, Freedom, it's a good brand, or another brand, Fox, whatever. They're super expensive. 2,000, 2,500. I don't know. This coilover is super cheap. I paid $450, I think. I do not remember right now, but less than 500, which is a pretty good deal for this. My honest opinion on these coilovers, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna start working on the truck. For tools, it might be different tools because I have an aftermarket parts, so maybe not be the same for your stock Tacoma. But basically it's 17, 19, 22. Those numbers basically always the same. So some people use this cam bolt, and to drop all the way the lower control arm, so that way it's easy to get the shock. But you have to mess with the alignment. Either way, I think you have to do a realignment to truck. So, but I'm gonna do it different way. So I'm gonna lose the sway bar links, and the sway bar links both right there, and then this big one right here. So, and that's why I got the jack right here. Just be careful to not bend this metal. What I think this is covered metal. This is like a support for your lower control arm. So you have to be careful with your brake line. I'm gonna start losing this swivel link. So you see it's turning with the whole thing, it with the ball itself. So you have to get the Allen goes into right here in the middle. See, it's turning the whole thing. see 6 millimeters. So let's go inside and then turn. So next step, I have my drill, my impact, but I have to lose the sway bar itself. Okay. With the sway bar out of the way, as you can see, is you have a lot of space right here, and that's what you want. So next, you have to raise the whole thing, because as you can see it, this upper control arm is almost hidden. It's actually hidden the spring. So I'm gonna raise it up. Stand the whole thing. So disconnect this control arm. So now the whole spindle, this and everything is gonna go down. Remember, you're using your jack or whatever you have in your garage. So just go little by little. Okay, so I lose this for the shock, which is this one, and then I lose the ones that goes on the top. Just make sure to keep pushing this whole spindle to not over pull this brake line. So as you can see, it's more easy this way, because right here, so you don't have to mess with the cam bolts and everything with the whole alignment thing. But like I say, I have to do our alignment again. So just you have to use some kind of help to raise it up and hold it down. With a sway bar out of the way is way more easy. So this one you can move out of the way also. What else? I think that's it. You have to this is the sway bar link, which is bigger than the stock one. I recommend to adjust before you install the coilover. And to get this far, there's no instructions how many turns you have to turn. To get this far is freaking hard to get this far. So I don't know if I can go more, but it's super hard to compress this spring. Right here, like I said, it's right here to right here, it's 1 1/4. I wanted to go all the way to 1 1/2, which is 3 inch, I think. But it's hard. It's really hard. So maybe it's a complaint with the freedom off-road coilover. There is no instruction, so there is no specific how many turns. Other than that, and the material is good, the coilover looks fine, and that's pretty much it. Okay, you guys, I'm just done adjusting the coilovers. As you can see, this is what it looks after you adjusting them. So they give you this heavy duty tool, you know, to adjust, but like I say, it's hard to turn and it's not easy if you pretend use this to adjust all the way like it just did all that. It's not gonna happen. So what I use is this crazy bar. It's like 2 feet long. So this, you can see, that's a pretty long bar, and it's a whole lot of easy with this. Fine, doesn't look professional. As you can see, it looks like it's damaged, but it's not. I mean, it's just too hard to turn. Check it out. But the coilovers itself, right, it's pretty much smooth, but it's just too hard to adjust the coilovers. Okay. All I have to do is run the truck and see how it feels, right? So don't forget to subscribe for your boy. Like this video if you like it. Comment down below if you want to do the same in your truck with this kind of coilovers. Like I said, super cheap, like $450. You can go around, I mean, $450 compared with those Fox or King coilovers, $2,000. I mean, if you can afford it, go for it. Right? So don't forget to like this video, like I said. Okay guys, so I think that's it. See you next video.